Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to create a race bar chart in Tableau, and we are also going to learn its real-time use cases in Tableau. Hey, it's your friend Srikanth Thiruveedula, who is a Tableau trainer, practitioner and consultant on Tableau. Without any delay, let's jump right into creation of race bar chart in Tableau. So let's bring in profit. So we are going to use sales and profit to build our race bar chart. So first let's bring in sum of sales and let's bring state into the view. So I'm going to bring this state into the color and we are going to create a calculation so that we are going to rank each state unique to rank using sum of profit here, because measure we are using as sales, but ranking we are doing at the level of profit. So we are taking sum of profit here. So rank underscore profit. And we are going to execute this table calculation at the level of state. So we are going to select the state here. Yeah, clicking on OK. And let's bring this calculation into rows and convert this into bar chart. And we are going to do this as a discrete. So let's remove the country here. So currently we are able to see rank wise for each state, and our bar is based on the sales value and our ranking is based on the profit value. So let's add some more formatting and few more things here. So to have the animation of the race bar chart, we are going to need a date field, because we are going to check for every date in the view and plus on this, plus on quarter, and place this year of order date, quarter of order date and month of order date in the page shelf. So if you play this button, so now we are going to get the placing of the ranks for each state. So let's pause this and further format it. I want to view these ranks on the complete right side of the bar chart towards extreme right, and I want to place the names of the bars also. So let's bring in state into the label. And I also want sum of sales onto the label. Let's customize the label here. And click on apply. Okay. So let's format this label also. We are going to format in the custom, and we are going to display in thousands in the dollars also. Yeah. And we are going to restrict the view for top 20. So for that purpose, let's bring in state into the view. And here we are going to use all and click on top 20 fields only. So here we are selecting only top 20 based on profit. I'm clicking on apply. So yeah. So as we discussed, we are going to place this rank to the extreme right. So for that, I'm going to hide the header here. We already got the names of the state and the value. Let's create another axis to the right side of sales. Here we are going to use average of 0. So which is going to create a separate axis, and here we are going to remove all the sum of sales, profit and state. We are going to retain the state for the color purpose, and we are going to bring the rank here by pressing control. Yeah. So we got the rank here, and let's convert this into text and customize the label here. So I'm placing it as 20 font and bold it and clicking on apply. So let's change it to 16. Yeah. To remove this average of 0 here, and we are going to remove this, and we are going to hide the header. We are going to make this dual axis so that we all the rankings are available here. And let's remove the lines also. So let's go to the column here. So the lines are also removed now. So we have name of the state and the sales value. Along with that, we have the profit ranking in the view. So now let's play from the starting of the date by clicking on this. So this is how we can display the race bar chart in Tableau. So we have format options also in the animations. We can set the timing from the option available here. So we can make it 1 seconds or 2 seconds. So based on our requirement, or we can customize the seconds duration. So this is how we can customize the options available here. Now let's discuss the different types of use cases for this race bar chart. These race bar charts can be used for the sales performance tracking or any major performance tracking. And we can also use for the stock market tracking between the different stocks or indices over time. We can also track the performance of different countries over any measures like GDP performance or any election results. Also, we can use this race bar chart between the different types of political parties. We can also use for sports statistics, social media analytics, and weather data too between the different regions and countries. And let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing.